Cal 982 Heavy, contact departure 1359, please.
Departure 359, Charlie 92, bye. Departure, Cal 92.
Cal 92 Heavy, radar contact, climb maintain 11,000, expedite through 4,000.
Expedite to 4,000, we request climb 990 initially, we had an indication about cargo door.
Cal 982 Heavy, say it one more time.
Request to stock climb level 990, we have an indication about cargo door, we have to read our checklist.
Okay, no problem. Fly heading 190, you can stop your climb.
Level 190, correction, heading 190, Cal 92.
Cal 982, make the heading 200.
Heading 200, Cal 92. Cal 92, please can you confirm the altitude we are clear to now?
1,000.
Roger, we will stop on 9,000, thank you.
I'm sorry, 11,000. Cal 982 Heavy, turn left heading 090, climb maintain 11,000.
Left heading 090, we request maximum 9,000 feet due to technical issues.
Cal 982 Heavy, you can maintain 9,000.
Okay, maintain 9,000 on heading 090, Cal.
Okay, and you need 9,000 for what? I'm sorry.
After we need to read a checklist and then we let you know.
Okay, no problem.
I think a few minutes, so maximum 3-4 minutes.
Thank you. Cal 982 Heavy, do you need more time or is everything complete?
And Cal 982, we need more time, and for the moment declare PANPAN, PANPAN, PANPAN. We request that we need to descend 8,000 feet to continue our checklist.
Cal 982 Heavy, roger. Maintain 8,000, turn right heading 180.
Descend 8,000 and right heading 180, Cal 982.
Cal 982 Heavy, turn right heading 260.
Right heading 260, Cal 982.
Cal 982 Heavy, turn right heading 270.
Heading 270, Cal 982.
New York, Cal 92.
Go ahead.
Cal 92, we are at the moment unpressurized because we have an indication with the cargo door. Our request is to dump fuel and to return to JFK when we finish.
Cal 982, I'm sorry, you're going to have to repeat that. Say it one more time.
Presently, we are not pressurized. The cabin is not pressurized, but it's not a problem. We are below 10,000 feet. Our request is to dump fuel and to return to JFK. And the indication we have is an indication on the cargo door.
Cal 982 Heavy, roger. Are you ready to coming now?
We request fuel dumping.
Cal 982 Heavy, roger. Turn left heading 180.
Heading 180, Cal 982, sorry.
Cal 982 Heavy, descend and maintain 3,000.
Cal 982, unable. Our minimum altitude for dumping is 6,000.
Cal 982 Heavy, roger. Then descend and maintain 6,000. Turn left heading 130.
Descend 6,000 and heading 130, Cal 982.
Cal 982 Heavy, fuel dumping is approved.
Logic is approved, Cal 982. And Cal 982, we are starting the fuel dumping and we will need approximately 20 minutes.
Cal 982 Heavy, roger.
And can I be Cal 982?
Yes, Cal 982 Heavy, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. We will need runway 31 left if available for landing.
Cal 982 Heavy, roger. You can turn right heading 180.
Turn right heading 180 and we still need 10 minutes roughly for fuel dumping.
Okay, no problem. And when you get a chance, I just need people on board and fuel, well, tell me the fuel later, but people on board.
We are only 3 souls on board, Cal 982, and for the moment we have a fuel of 105.0 tons, and but we are dumping to 85 tons.
Thank you. Cal 982, do you want one more spin around, or should I head you towards the field? How many more minutes?
We need, let's say, one more turn. Yes, Cal 92.
Cal 982 Heavy, roger. Turn right heading 040.
Right heading 040, and I call you when we are ready for the approach, Cal 92.
Call. Cal 982 Heavy, turn right heading 220.
Right heading 220 and ready for the approach, Cal 92.
Cal 982 Heavy, roger. Heading 260.
Heading 260, Cal 92.
Cal 982 Heavy, fly heading 310 to set and maintain 2000.
Right heading 310, the same maintain 2000, Cal 982.
Cal 982 Heavy, flighting 330 and join the final. Contact final now 132.4. Have a good day.
Heading 330 to join the final and 1324, Cal 892 Heavy, bye. Kennedy Tower, good morning again, Cal 982, visual 31 left.
Cal 982 Heavy, Kennedy Tower, one departure prior to your arrival. Wind 330 at 8, runway 31 left, cleared to land, emergency equipment is standing by.
Copy about the departure, clear to land 31 left, sir, thank you, Cal 982.
Cal 199.
Yeah, car 99, Kennedy Tower, proceed onto runway 31 left at Zulu, cross runway 22 right.
99, proceeding on 31 left at Zulu, crossing 22 right.
Cal 92, able to vacate Papa Alpha.
Cal 982 Heavy, right, turn right on Papa Alpha, and do you require any further assistance?
Cal 92, vacate Papa Alpha. Yeah, we would like to visually check the right cargo door. That's the indication we had. We just need that visual check and then we can proceed to our stand.
Okay. Taxi Papa Alpha, hold short of Quebec, and we'll get a vehicle out there.
Papa Alpha and also Quebec, Cal 982.
And Cal 199, clear 31 left, negative contamination, thank you.
Car 99, thank you. Cal 982 Heavy, contact 121.65, please.
12165, Cal 982 Heavy, and thank you for everybody for the assistance.